today we're going to give you a short tutorial on how to do some lovely Valentine's nails. Quick, easy and super effective. You can try this at home or if you are a pro in a salon. So first of all, I've painted all the nails in a really nice neutral nude colour. Some go more for a pink tone, some for a more brownier, creamier base, but totally up to you and your client. Get a striping brush and slowly start to draw a heart. Now I put a bit of polish down onto a bit of alfoil or a tile, and then you just simply dip in and start to do the outline of the heart. To get a really nice heart, I like to kind of make those ears of the heart quite big and fat and more rounded and pronounced. So just play around until you feel like you're getting the desired shape that you need to. Then I just come in and simply fill in the heart with my striping brush with some red gel polish. So we're going to go in and do a second coat on this a little bit later, but for now, put all that in and do a quick cure for about 10 seconds so that your gel polish does not flood the nail and your beautiful lines that you've created with your heart don't move. Repeat this on all 10 nails and then go in and do a second coat just to simply colour in and make that red really pop. If you've got a gel polish that is not that opaque, you may have to go in 3 times just to make it just really stand out. Okay, so for this feature now, what we're doing is actually doing a little bit of encapsulated acrylic. I like to go in with a thin base of clear and just come in and put the hearts just place them wherever you like and where you think that your client may like. Sometimes I like to give it a multi-dimensional effect. So I'll go in, put a layer of the hearts, put a really thin layer of clear acrylic over it, and then I'll come in and put the hearts just over the top. Once you encapsulate it with the clear, you'll notice that after you file and top coat, it almost looks like the hearts are floating or whatever chunky glitter that you decide to encapsulate. I'll then come in and put a final coat of clear over all of the hearts just to seal those in so we don't buff them off while filing. And as you can tell, I've actually just spilt all of my heart glitter. Don't do that. Good old saying, now techs eat glitter for breakfast and shine all day. We actually do. We actually do. The amount of glitter I probably eat while having my morning coffee, believe you me. Alright, so let's work around those hearts and the little spill that I've made. So we're going back in. Now I'm going to come in and get a really nice nude cover pink. So for this step, I really like to bleed out the cover pink to make it a fairly dry bead so that it's going to be more opaque enough just to fade down and cover some of those hearts to give it almost like that milk bath look. Now I know that this was a trend last year where it was kind of like that milky white. You could see the encapsulated flowers and almost looked like they were floating like these little flowers in the milk bath. We're giving it this effect but almost like an ombre and ombreing the hearts down so it's just a nice encapsulated, I guess, heart ombre kind of look. Now you can top coat this in a clear to make it pop or a matte. Either looks great. So I'm just blending this down, feathering it down just to make it just blend down really nicely. You don't want to cover the hearts too much. You want them to cover them a little bit and then the very bottom of the hearts to be more clear so they pop. Okay, so now we come in and we file the acrylic nail, just being careful to not file too much to take away the heart glitter or too much of the ombre. Now I will be doing future videos on how to do filing like a pro, so don't stress too much, they'll be on their way. And then just give a little buff to buff out any scratches. Once again, proper filing techniques will be coming in further videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. So wipe off the dust, and now it's time to reveal all of your hard work on all the nails. By this stage you would have painted all 10 nails the hearts. Now we're going to come in, paint a matte top coat on all of the hearts because my client wanted matte. You can go matte or shiny, and I've actually put a nice shiny clear top coat over the ombre. Come in, put cuticle oil on all of the nails, and then it's time to take your beautiful money shot for your Instagram, because it's all about the gram. Now, one of my pet hates is to actually put cuticle oil on your client's nails and let them look like an absolute oil slick. It looks really unprofessional. So guys, make sure you really rub in those cuticles, make them nice, smooth and nourished. Now, a little tip that I got from doing Nail Olympia is if you want those juicy looking cuticles, you can actually get those makeup remover wipes. They're quite nourishing. Put them on just around the cuticles and let them sit there for a minute if you're doing a bit of editorial work or photo shoot work. But guys, there you go. That is it. Nice, simple, easy Valentine's nails, and yeah, give it a crack. Any questions at all on this technique, please comment in the box below. If you've got any suggestions for future videos and you want me to show you how it's done, then definitely just drop your comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you all.